Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the tension bar in a 2015, 16, 17 Camry. My tension bar, now this part which just snaps in, that'll be one of the last steps. This was the tension bar that broke on me. This is a brand new one. It also brought down these two cables. And again, this will be one of the last steps, but I'll show you now. They just push up and you pull. There we go. And then you pull and they're in place. They're two different tension bars, right and the left. And you can tell the difference because one has the rounded end on the right, one has a rounded end on the left. The one that I replaced has a squared end on the left. And Toyota will charge you roughly $60 before taxes in Canada. The right end is simple enough. It's into that little hole, and you can see. You come over here and just line up the tension bar with the bottom slot. And then we come over here, and this is really the only tricky part. And it's really, once you know how to do it, it's hard to call it tricky, really. This will be, when you first put it in, it'll be twisted up like this. So this is where the tension comes. You need to take something like this long screwdriver and twist it up. Okay, so that's all I did. I used this particular screwdriver because I had it on hand and just twist it up until this fit into there and this automatically fit into there. Again, once you know how to do it, it's really very easy. Just twisting up. Just twisting it like this. And that's about it. Like I said, then you would just snap in that. These snap in, and you're done.